Hello, let us discuss another example on if else ladder. So let us open the saved file from the file menu and selecting the open option, and from the open a file we select the 4D, that is fourth program in the experiment number 4. So open file gets opened. Then in the comment it is written C program to display weekday based on the given number using if else ladder. There are 7 days of a week. So if user enters a particular number from 1 to 7, that day specified is displayed. If number is greater than 7, then some message is displayed, that is it is a wrong number. So for that one, using if else ladder program is written. So let us try to understand this program. So again, using the processor directive hash include, we include two header files, standard input output.h and conio.h. First statement in the main function defines the day as an integer variable. Then clear screen clears up anything previously written on the output screen. Then print f statement enter day number. It prints a message on the output screen. Then that number is taken in by the scanf function and is stored with the variable day. Then if day equal to 1, we have to display printf Sunday. Else, in else associated with the if, day equal to 2, if value of day is equal to 2, print f Monday, print Monday. Again else, if day equal to 3, print Tuesday. If this condition is false, then else part of if statement, and in if else part again if is associated with the else. Day equal to 4, if condition is true, print f Wednesday. Condition is false, goes to the else if part, and day equal to 5, test the another condition, day equal to 5. If condition is true, print f Thursday. If condition is false, then again move to the else if, then again test the condition, day equal to 6. If condition is true, display Friday. If condition is false, again goes to the else associated with the if. Day equal to 7. If condition is true, print f Saturday. If condition is false, else printf invalid day. So what number is entered by the user, it is going to be greater than 7. So this construct, when written in this way, looks like a ladder. So that's why it is called the else if ladder. Now let us run this program, and before running, let us compile the program. So when we compile, no error, no warning is displayed. So we can run the program. So run menu, and from the drop down menu run option is there, and when we click the run option, enter day number. Suppose we enter the 4 and press the enter key. Fourth day is the Wednesday because first day is the Sunday. So in this way we can display a day depending on the day number and written with the help of the else if ladder. So how this Wednesday was displayed when we enter the 4? In a coding window we can understand this one. So initially when condition was tested, if day equal to 1, naturally condition was false. Then in else part condition was tested, day equal to 2, that is again false. Then in else part again condition was tested, day equal to 3, that was false, that is wrong condition. Then in the else part, else if day equal to 4, so this condition is true. So else if block is executed, and using the printf statement we print the output as a Wednesday. Now let us run this program second time. And when message is displayed, enter day number, and suppose we enter the 2 and press the enter key, Monday is displayed. So in this way, using the else if ladder, we can select one out of number of the options available, as this construct is seen as a ladder. That's why this construct is known as a if else ladder. So this way we complete here the experiment number 4 by discussing 2 experiments for the nested if else statement and 2 experiments for if else if ladder. So bye and have a nice day.